Hey there, glam kids. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Gigi. And if I may say, you are looking marvelous today. I hope your day is going just as marvelously as you look. And if it is going a little less than marvelous, I hope it picks up very soon. So what we're doing is some nails today inspired by the Aquamarine Birthstone for March. And so that is going to mean we're doing some mixing of colors and marbling them on nails. So I'm just showing you some of the things I'm using today. Actually, those are the 3 things I'm using. I did use a little bit of that top coat to just thin things out a little and to shear it out the tiniest bit. It didn't end up being as sheer as I wanted it to be, but I was having a hard time getting where I wanted to be. So I just decided, hey, it's a gorgeous look. Let's go ahead and just transcend this challenge and go with what you've been able to accomplish here. So what we're doing is just mixing up a little bit of colors, and we're mixing different levels of blues and whites and the top coat to just make slightly different shades of blue, but all in the same family. So I'm not using different shades of blue. It's all the same shade of blue, but I'm adding different levels of white to it to bring it into a different place. So what I'm doing is picking up a couple of colors at the same time on the brush, and then just swooshing those really simply across the nail. There is no right or wrong way to lay the polish down. I'm adding what's left over on this other nail because I want to pick up some of the lighter color, and I wanted it to be more true to that light color and not mix up with the other two. And that's just a good way to wipe off your brush and not waste the color, right? If you've still got a nail to go. And so now I'm just coming back in with that nail that we used to put our color down, and I'm going to add some more and marble those around. This is such an effective rock marble technique. It really looks like actual marble or actual gemstones, more in their raw form than in their polished form. And while polished gemstones are absolutely gorgeous and what you usually would tend to wear like in jewelry and whatnot, the raw look of gemstones, really, I just get inspired by them. I think they're so beautiful. Now, on the other 2 nails, which in this case is the thumb and the pinky nail, I'm going to come in with this real pretty Modelones silver, and we got that out of that set that I swatched for you guys a couple weeks ago. I will put a link to that up in the linky link area. And now with that same silver, we are going to come in and do a little veining. And I like to concentrate the veining in the areas where the colors meet together and blend together, because it just feels like a more natural placement for that kind of accent. And oftentimes I'll do black as well, but I felt like the silver was exactly what this needed, and I did not continue with any further embellishment of it because it is just such a pretty marble, and I wanted to keep it with a delicate look, because when you look at the pictures of raw aquamarine, it is a very delicate and beautiful marbling that you see in those stones. So I just really wanted to mirror that. And I did see some that had more of like a gold veining than the silvery veining. But you know, you can do whichever one makes you the happiest. And honestly, you could probably just do the veining in like even the darker blue color, like not a mixed blue, just the dark blue, because it would keep it all in the same family. But I really like the idea of the silver for a little eye-catching pop. And one of them, that last one, I saw a little spot where there was some missing. So I just used my little brush to help fill that in as well. Now on these 2 nails, I almost left them plain, just plain silver. But then I had a little bit of the mixed polishes left over, and I thought, why not just put some little flower buds on those nails, because everywhere that I go right now, there are flowers just budding and exploding everywhere. And so I just really wanted to translate that into a set of nails, which I'm sure as spring continues, we're going to do so many floral sets. It'll be so much fun. But this is just a nice little nod to the buds that I've been seeing all over the neighborhood. Now in black, I'm just giving them a little bit of stem work here. And just coming around the bottom of the bud where the stem attaches with some little leaves. And then just bringing it all the way down. And now while those are curing, I'm going to go ahead and hit these with some top coat. And then, of course, we will top coat the others as well. Guys, you are going to have to let me know how you like this set. And especially if you have a March birthday, is this something that you would wear? Or would you just translate it to your own birthstone? I know that next month's birthstone is diamond, and I'm going to have to look up some raw diamonds in different colors so that I can translate that as well. But this is the finished set, guys. Please let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. While you're down there, don't forget to click all my buttons because that helps YouTube think I'm important. See you next time. Bye-bye.